హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. సో ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో నేను డయాగ్రామ్ పోస్ట్ చేశాను. అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద డిఫరెంట్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఐ. సో ఫస్ట్ part is the conjunctiva. It is a thin membrane and a clear membrane like a transparent. And next, cornea. Cornea is formed behind of the conjunctiva, and it is formed with the help of sclerotic layer. So first layer of the eye, so it is bulges and forms the cornea. Bulges and forms cornea. So in the eye transplantation process also used only cornea. The transplantation process only they use cornea only. They separate the cornea and they adjust not the remaining parts. So next, aqueous chamber. Aqueous chamber is in front of the biconvex lens. Water like fluid which is present. Water like fluid which is present in the aqueous chamber, and it creates the fluid pressure, eye pressure it creates. Next, pupil. So actually the pupil is the size of the pupil will sometimes it increases and decreases. Why? Because it depends upon the light intensity. Light intensity. So if it is the light intensity will be more bright lighted area, the size of the pupil will decrease. Why? Because you should not allow the light rays, more light rays to inside. And if it is a dim light area, it increases. Why? Because less light rays will be present in the atmosphere. Next, biconvex lens. This biconvex lens not biconvex lens. So the pupil size will this increase and decrease of the pupil size will depends upon the iris. Iris is a muscular structure and it is made up of two muscles. One is the radial and second one is circular. Radial and circular muscles. So biconvex lens is adjusted by the ligaments. The ligament name is the ciliary and suspensory ligaments. So the adjustments of the biconvex lens is because of the ciliary and suspensory ligaments. Sclera is the first layer and it is a thick layer, tough layer and white color structure, elastic layer, non-elastic layer and fibrous layer. So it bulges and forms cornea. And end of this sclerotic layer is for the optic nerve. It is connects to the optic nerve. connects to the optic nerve. So next choroid is the second layer and it's black color, having the blood vessels, and it forms the iris. So iris is a muscular structure. It is made up of two muscles. Those are radial muscles and circular muscles. Forms the iris. Here two things don't forget: cornea and iris. So iris is formed by the choroid. Cornea is formed by the sclera. So next retina is having the photoreceptors. Having the photoreceptors, those having the two types of cells. One is the rods, second one are cones. And these two cells also containing the pigments. So rods containing the rhodopsin and cones containing the iodopsin. So iodopsin will be, cones will be present 125 million and rods are present as 7 million number of cells present in the retina. So these can identify the black and white colors in the dark, but the cones can identify the different colors. So here last one is the optic nerve. It sends the visual information to the brain. Visual information to the brain. Next, vitreous chamber is contain the fluid filled portion. Fluid filled portion. That is known as the vitreous chamber. It is present in the retina. So next topic is eye diseases. So these are the eye diseases: myopia, hypermetropia, glaucoma, trachoma, cataract, xerophthalmia, astigmatism. So myopia is a nearsightedness. Nearsightedness, able to see only near objects. And they use for treatment purpose, doctors use concave mirror, concave lens. Nearsightedness, able to see the near objects. Near objects using the concave lens. Next, image will form in front of lens. Here hypometropia is a far-sightedness. Able to see only far objects. and image will form behind the retina. Behind the retina. Yeah, this is the in front of retina. Myopia is in front of retina. Hypermetropia is the behind of retina. Clear? And glaucoma is damage to the optic nerve. Damage to the optic nerve. And trachoma is roughening of inner side of eyelids. Inner side of eyelids. Cataract is clouding formation. Clouding of eye means సో ఆయన చూస్తే మనకు క్లౌడ్గా వైట్ కలర్ పోర్షన్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది దాన్ని క్యాట్రాక్ట్ అంటాం. సో ఇందులో సి అండ్ ఇందులో కూడా సి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఈజీగా గుర్తుంటుంది. జిరాప్థాల్మియా conjunctiva becomes dry. Stigmatism, irregular shape of cornea. So these are the diseases which can cause the different defects. Myopia is mainly causing frequently watching the mobile, TV, computers like that. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share.